Hello and welcome to how to make a Five Nights at Freddy's fan game that's kinda like the joy of creation. Well, kinda. It's Scratch, episode 2. So, you wanna do that? And as you see, I have made my own background music. I just used my fan. Look at this. But now, we want to do enemy AI. So, here is what I will do. Now, that's not the full enemy, but as you see, those two are eyes. We want to duplicate that. We want to switch it. And as you do know, you will have to watch out. When flag clicked, go to there, switch costume to costume 1. Now we want to do the same thing, and also we want to hide. And let me tell you, it was very, very fun. Let's just say, doing fan game making. Now, we also want to make a time variable. For all sprites. Set this to 12 a.m. And we want to hide it. We want to show the variable when I receive, or when we receive night 1. Let's see if this actually works. Hang on. You know what? I was thinking. But yeah. Well, I will teach you how to do this. Repeat 6 times. Wait 30 seconds. Set time to 1 a.m. So yeah. Do that. And yeah. And if it doesn't work, I'll let you all know. But here's how much every night will take. 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Night 1 will take 3 minutes. And wait 0.2 seconds. Broadcast. Night 1 done. And we want to hide the variable time. Yeah, it works. But while that's going on, we will do some of the enemy AI. So, actually we'll do it in the next episode. But, we'll just wait here. Yeah, it works. Well, bye everyone. See y'all tomorrow. Actually, no, not tomorrow. Next video. I'm so sorry.